So this is a review of the Britsou Dehumidifier. It's brought this room down to 30% humidity after only about 6 hours or so. The room was at 55. It's got a large capacity in the front. The settings are very easy. You got your low, high, a timer, and a couple different modes. Also comes with a hose if you want to hook it up to a drain, so you don't have to empty out the reservoir, but the reservoir is quite large, so it doesn't require being emptied very frequently. But as you can see, it's going on full speed, and it's very quiet here, so even in a bedroom, it's not an issue whatsoever. Highly recommend.